What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's March 7th, so it's TE37 day. So I'm gonna head to Kodawari because they're hosting an open house today, and hopefully they'll bring out some cool cars and some TE37s on display. So let's go there. So we just made it to Kodawari, so let's head inside and see what shows up. So there was some music going inside the building, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of voiceover. So this is Nao's NSX. He's the owner of Kodawari, and it's pretty cool on some bronze T37s, the first ones. And here they have their Shops S2000 on another set of T37s, and it has like a Voltex wing and a nice fender there. Not sure which brand it was. Might be Jay's Racing. Don't quote me on that. And here inside we have this sick BMW M2 on T37Vs in like super white color, might be a wrap. And it has a cool Adro wing. I kind of want that on my GR86. And here they had a little bit of exhibition with some books showing some T37s. Also a really used T37 OG wheel in white. As you can see in the corner there, it's welded. And they had a little bit of description and some more magazines. Also a raised tissue box. And here they had a Mag Blue T37 with some little EK Ebro model car. And here we have another book. I think it's the Chronicles, one of the Chronicles books. And here we have a EK 9 and another real Volk Racing T37 wheel in a special color. And here we have more of the newer T37s, which are engraved in a really nice green color. And here they had like a sign with T37 Day made out of the sticker that looks like the wheel. And here we have another set of T37s in silver or gunmetal. And here we have a Lego Hot Wheels NSX model and a Ferrari model with T37s from Lego. Then here I went outside, but there was still music going. But this was a really nice Lexus RCF with a V8 in blue. And it had chrome T37s, really clean build. Some aftermarket taillights too. It was really clean. Also, this is one of the guys that works at Kodawari. He has a Supra on some race CR 57 CRs, I mean. Really nice, really nice.
cookies? No, we're not gonna make no fun.
Then here outside, we just had one of the Kodawari guys. He has a FK8 on with a wide body. Pretty sure it's a Varus wide body. And he has TE37Vs, continuing the TE37 day team with a big wing there and some red Brambos. Pretty sure they come stock. And he also has some pretty nice seats. They're Nürburgring Recaros. Pretty nice car. I really like the satin finish on it. Pretty sure it's Steck. Here you can see the Varus badge. And also on the other side we have a FL5 in white with some OGT 37s. Really nice car, really looks clean, even stock. And it has a pretty cool license plate frame, Honda the Power of Dreams. And here I went inside their main office and they have some pretty insane model cars like this LFA, this Koenigsegg Jesko, this Lamborghini concept car, I forgot the name of it, and some other Koenigsegg's. Then here they have like a really clean CRX model car and some dioramas of a gas station and like a family mart type convenience store. This white F40 is pretty thick. Honestly, they have a pretty cool collection of die casts, and here they have like the new 21C wheel and some C28s, some RWB die casts. Very, very nice. And some more RWB die casts.
He's up.
So the Kodawari event just ended, so I'm gonna head to the mall nearby. I wanna buy a few things. So I just got back from the mall and I bought two things. I bought the latest Initial D book that released. It's like an omnibus of like 2 or 3 volumes, and it just released like a couple of days ago. And then I got the newest Kagurabachi manga, number 6. I'm collecting them. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the Kodawari TE37 day meet. I really liked the white M2 inside the shop and also the blue RCF. Those cars were really cool. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, and see you in the next one. Peace.